Okay, workbook time. I don't see. Where is Big Ugly Hand? Oh no. Did I hurt his feelings? Oh, sorry, Big Ugly Hand.
Okay, hello everybody. These are pages 14 and 15 of the Let's Go 4 workbook. And these pages are dealing with the Let's Learn More section. And on this section, we have to first, unscramble, write, and number. So down here, the words are mixed up, like boat a sail, should be sail a boat. So we unscramble it, then we write it, and then we take the number and write it with the right picture. Okay, not too bad. And the student book had the vocabulary looking like this.
Climb a mountain.
Build a house.
Sail a boat.
Travel around the world.
Design a video game.
Drive a car.
Okay, then let's start. First one, boat a sail. It should be sail a boat. So we just trace that. Somebody wants to sail a boat. This girl, she wants to sail a boat. Okay, number 2, all car drive. All right, put the action word first, which is drive. Drive what? Well, drive a car. Drive a car. Now, who wants to drive a car? Ah, she does. She wants to drive a car. Number 2. All right, number 3, around world travel the action word is travel. So that goes first. Travel. Travel where? Travel around. Okay. Travel around what? Well, travel around the world. Somebody wants to go to every country. That's a great goal to have. And that looks like, oh, maybe this boy. See, he's traveling around the world. Number 3. Number 4, a mountain climb. So this is the action, climb. And climb what? Climb a tree, climb a jungle gym. No, climb a mountain. Climb a mountain. Okay, who wants to climb a mountain? I think that it might be this girl here. She's walking and getting closer to the mountain. She looks a little bit worried though. Anyways, we'll give her a 4. The next one is all design game video. All right, a little bit harder, but the action word in here is design, which means to make something new. Kind of like create. Design what? Well, design a game video or video game. Design a video game. And that would be this boy here. So we'll write number 5 for him. He made a cute little avatar. Next, house builder. So the action word is build. Put that first. Build what? Build a house. Build a house. And that must be this man here, which we'll give a number 6 to. All right, part A is done. Okay, this part is B. It says connect and then write the questions and answers. So for these pages, we weren't asking about jobs, we were asking about actions. So that's why when we had a question, instead of saying what does he, she want to be, we have to say what does he, she want to do, because we're curious about an action. Okay? And then for the answer, we still start and finish the same with, because it's does, we still say he, she, does. So he, she wants to, and then we don't need be, we're just gonna tell the action after that. And in the student books, it looked like this. Okay, so now I guess we're ready to start. I will say that this activity, part B, and this page in the workbook, I hate. I think that they did a bad job designing it. Here's how it's supposed to work. It says connect, then write the questions and answers. So for me, I think it should be a connect down to here, and then I write about her. But actually, we connect down, and then we have to write her answer right here. So So even though it's right next to the mountain picture, we write about her flying an airplane. So it's kind of complicated and annoying. So just to make it easier, I'm just gonna go like this. I draw like that. So I know this is number 1. This is number 2. And this is number 3, and this is number 4. Okay, so now we can start. We'll connect them first. And it looks like she wants to travel around the world. So I'll write that up here. Okay. What does she want to do? She wants to travel around the world. Good. Okay, now that's going to be the same for these ones too. So I'm just going to go ahead and write the questions first. Sometimes it's a little bit easier if we do that. This is a boy, so we'll do what does he? What does he want to do? This is also a boy, so we'll use he again. What does he want to do? And this one is a girl, so we'll use she. Whoops. Why don't we say what first? There we go. We'll eraser. Does she want to do? Okay, let's do the connecting. He wants to sail a boat. He wants to climb a mountain. She wants to drive a car. Let's do him first. He wants to sail a boat. Okay. He wants to sail a boat. If you run out of space, you can just write on the next line. Next one is this boy. Follow him up. He wants to climb a mountain. He wants to climb and I don't have enough space, so I'll write mountain down here. Mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Okay, and this girl, she wants to drive a car. She wants to drive a car. All done. Great job. Okay, and part C is similar to the last page, the Let's Learn page. It says look at B, read and check. We have the same thing. Does she? Does he? Does he? So our answer can only ever be yes, she does. No, he doesn't. Okay, so let's read the question. Check out the person and check it. Does she want to build a house? She's right here. And, oh, no, she doesn't. She wants to drive a car. Does he want to travel around the world? That's this boy. And, no, he wants to sail a boat. No, he doesn't. Does he want to climb a mountain? This boy, he wants to climb a mountain. Yes, he does. 14 and 15 are all done. Nice job, everybody.